Wynn accuser makes extraordinary claims in court filings. The credibility of a woman who claims to have been raped by hotel entrepreneur Steve Wynn has come into question after she filed court documents that were peppered with extraordinary lies. Halina Kuta filed a police report against Wynn in February claiming that he raped her in Chicago in the 1970s, impregnating her. She claimed she went on to give birth to the girl in the bathroom of a gas station. The police report did not contain her name, but it did include details that she had once claimed to be married to Wynn and that she believed she was his daughter Kevin's mother. Kuta filed it after unsuccessfully suing Wynn, making the same claims. In April, claiming the app had defamed him, Wynn sued the news outlet along with Kuta and the reporter who penned the story. As part of that lawsuit, she has been required to provide a sworn statement of facts. It is littered with discrepancies of times, dates and places. Among the most outlandish claims she makes in it is that she was the model for Picasso's masterpiece, Le Rêve, which was painted in 1932, 15 years before 71-year-old Kuta was born. Elsewhere, she claims she and Wynn got married and had other children but that she cannot remember their names. In an interview with the app earlier this month, she admitted, "You keep asking do I remember the dates and I can't remember. Yes, I don't remember everything. My brain don't work as good as it should." On Tuesday, a judge ruled that the app was fair in its initial report because her name was redacted in the police report it obtained via Freedom of Information request. Lawyers representing the app said the ruling effectively ends the case against the app and its reporter. It does not resolve the suit against Kuta. Wynn's lawyers said they would review the judge's order but they expected to appeal. Wynn has consistently denied sexual misconduct allegations after the Wall Street Journal reported in January that several women said he harassed or assaulted them. He resigned February 6 as chairman and CEO of Wynn Resorts. His lawsuit against Kuta and the app did not address the other police report on which the app story reported, which involved a former employee. Kuta said in the affidavit she is 71 and lives in Laguna Vista, Texas. She says she married Wynn in Poland in 1963, according to documents filed in the defamation case. She is representing herself in the lawsuit filed by Wynn, and said she retired in November 2016 after working nearly 11 years in the accounting department at Wynn Resorts. Wynn lawyer L. Linwood and Wynn Resorts executive Michael Weaver declined to say if Kuta worked for the company. Earlier this year, a federal judge in Las Vegas dismissed a separate lawsuit that Kuta filed in 2017 against Wynn in which she accused him of orchestrating the July 1993 kidnapping of his daughter, Kevin Wynn. Kuta claimed Kevin Wynn is her daughter with Wynn, but when pressed in an interview with app she acknowledged that she has no evidence to back that up. Kuta filed a document in state court last week in the current Wynn case seeking a DNA sample from Kevin Wynn. Wynn's lawyers have said in court documents that Steve and Elaine Wynn's daughter, Kevin Wynn, was born in 1967 in Washington, D.C., several years before Kuta claimed she was raped by Wynn in either 1973 or 1974. In dismissing Kuta's 2017 lawsuit, U.S. Magistrate Judge Carl W. Hoffman called her claims incoherent, describing a clearly fanciful or delusional scenario.